Let's draw this thing. I know that x is the midpoint of AC, y is the midpoint of BC, r is the midpoint of XC, and S is the midpoint of YC. So it looks like we're making similar triangles, and I want to know the area of the small one. Now, since this triangle has lengths that are 1/4 of the big triangle, that means that the area is going to be 1/16 of the area of that big triangle. So with that in mind, what I really need to do is find the area of the big triangle. So let's try and do that. Let's look at statement 2. Statement 2 tells us that the altitude, which is another name for the height, is equal to 8. But that's a problem because I don't know anything about the base. So statement 2 right off the bat is not sufficient, and I can cross off B and D. Now let's look at statement 1, which tells us that the area of ABX is equal to 32. And what that really means is that the area of BCX is also 32, and I'll show you why. If AX and XC are the same length, and they are because X is the midpoint, right? Then those two triangles have the same base. And they also have the same height, which is the line that I've just drawn in. So even though we don't know what that base is and what that height is, if they're the same, then I must plug them both into the area formula and get the same result. All right, so that makes the total area of triangle ABC equal to 64, and that makes the area of the little triangle that we care about equal to 4. So statement 1 is sufficient to answer the question, making the correct answer A.